This Week in Sheridan is presented by News Talk 930 KROE. I'm Steve Sisson. Sheridan's Main Street was the site of the first Third Thursday Street Festival of the summer season last week. After missing last year due to the pandemic, this event appeared to be very well attended. The July 3rd Thursday will actually be held on the second Thursday in July, the 8th, to avoid conflicts with the Sheridan Wild Rodeo. So remember, this year's second Third Thursday is on the second Thursday. Speaking of the Wild Rodeo, you now have less than a month to put together a team for the beds along the Bighorns bed races, with $500 and $100 cash prizes up for grabs on parade day. Grab the entry form at SheridanMedia.com. The Sheridan Police Department hosted Ice Cream with a Cop on Saturday. Sergeant Rasmussen with the Sheridan PD explains the concept behind the event.
It's kind of an offshoot of our program called Coffee with a Cop. We like to host it during the summertime months. It's nice to kind of get out in the park where there's a lot of folks from the community that are mingling, and it gives us an opportunity to kind of be transparent and let the community ask us questions and find out about what we do, and let them do that in a capacity that's not normally what you encounter police in. So we like to do that to kind of engage the community and show them what we're about.
With a look at local sports, here's James Timberlake.
The Sheridan Troopers went 2-4 in 6 games this past week. The Troop first took on Cheyenne Post 6 on Wednesday in a doubleheader and fell in both games 9-5 and 11-2. Then they had to take the short trip over to Laramie and took on the Rangers in another doubleheader on Thursday. Sheridan dropped both of those games as well, 5-3 and 7-3. The Troopers were able to salvage something this week when they took on the Cody Cubs in a doubleheader at home on Saturday. Trevor Stowe led the way for the Troopers in both games, hitting 3 home runs between both games, leading Sheridan to victories of 10-5 and 11-9. The Troopers will be getting into one of the busiest parts of their schedules this week. They hosted Casper on Monday night, then they will host Gillette in another doubleheader on Tuesday night with first pitch scheduled for 5 p.m. Then on Wednesday, they will travel to South Dakota to take on Spearfish in a doubleheader and will finally conclude this week with a tournament in Billings starting on Friday and running through Sunday.
Did you know that you can win thousands of dollars in local prizes? Go to SheridanMedia.com and enter the local motion contest on the webpage. The contest is brought to you by ERA Carroll Realty and Wilcox Abstract and Title. Win thousands of dollars in local prizes today on SheridanMedia.com.
This Week in Sheridan is presented by News Talk 930 KROE, welcoming Fox Across America with Jimmy Fallon to the programming lineup, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. weekdays. Listen to KROE on AM 930, FM 103.9, and streaming at SheridanMedia.com and the News Talk 103.9 app. Get the app at SheridanMedia.com/app. For news throughout the week and to listen to Sheridan Media radio stations live, go to SheridanMedia.com. I'm Steve Sisson. Have a great week.